In the 2026, I have approved my first WordPress plugin, the block cutter activity log and security audit has been approved. This is our plugin. When you click here, you are seeing this is my plugin. I have added this to track your website. You can use this plugin and review me to motivate myself to build something. So this is the plugin, our interface. This is the plugin interface. This is our interface. This is our interface. This is our interface. So this plugin, how I activate when I firstly updated this. Secondly, I have facing the multiple issue, need to update this. Another issue, we need to update it. Set plugin code we have changed and updated, and next time I have updated this to issue banner. I have removed this and I have updated everything here what they wanted. So finally I updated and next message, and finally our plugin is approved by WordPress. So go to our plugin directory. So this is our WordPress running website, the in live. So click here, add plugin. Just you click block. Just click here this. So comes our plugin. So this is our plugin. So this is my active plugin. So active plugin, there is comes the block cutter log. When you click here, then the interface is this. The last time who is visiting my website, track and guest. And this is the parameter. Everything here is counting. Everything is counting here. So click it. So everything, there is also IP. You can detect the which IP in the website and which URL the header. You can check here. The logging when you click the setting. So this is the setting, you can check here, and this is the support. Here is the support option, and this is this. So we have used this plugin from this here. So you can use my plugin to access the website what's happened. I hope you will enjoy this. Thank you.